What is up, guys? Haven't done a video in a super long time. Haven't had anything to do. Didn't have any money for car parts at the moment. Was just doing some other stuff. So yeah, no videos to make. But as you can see behind me, we are digging back into the 12 valve. So today I got pretty far. Wasn't able to get a lot of it on video or anything actually. So none of it was on video. So doing a little breakdown now of what happened today. So we got the car up on jack stands again. The motor is half torn down. We're gonna pull the transmission and then pull the motor out and see if there's any damage from shipping, and then fix what happened during shipping if there's damage, and then put a new clutch, the rim race seal in, and probably a short ram. Maybe some custom headers too. So we'll see. All this on the 12 valve, and hopefully this thing will be ready to attack the street at the end of this year. Also, this will for sure be at Helen next year. So be there and you can see this thing. But let's go over it. Guys, so battery box out, intake's out, thermostat's hanging, gotta pull that out. Heads off, intake manifolds off, fuel lines are disconnected, core supports off, axles are out. Yeah, that's pretty much it for right now, and then we're gonna drop the trans and get it going even more. But she's up there. So going over in the back here, so we're going to move to the back here. And if you guys are new to the channel, I'm working on the Bondo right here. As you can see, someone did a crappy job before I got this car on repairing this quarter. So we're going to have to be doing that one up. I'm looking at a body shop, get that done. So, and then repaint this whole quarter right here so that it can be looking good for Helen. But yeah. Guys, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Just a little update. We'll do more updates on the 12 valve over here and what we're doing to it. Give you more videos on the teardown and the rebuild, and be prepared for some custom headers and some short ram intake manifold, because we're going to be doing all that stuff, and then some injectors and all that stuff as well too. So stay tuned. Gonna be a great series as we're getting this one going again. But thanks, guys. We're at 195, so we're 5 more and we're at 200. So if you know someone who's not subscribed, tell them to hit that subscribe button for me so we can get there. But thanks, guys, and let's keep this going. All right, that's it.